Uncensored, unabashed, unapologetic, and unforgiving, Virendra Sehwag is definitely one of the most feared batsmen to have ever played the game. Born into a Jat family of grain merchants, Sehwag's interest in the game is attributed to the bat he was gifted by his father when he was merely 7 months old. Sehwag's parents recognized the fact that their child wasn't really gifted when it came to academics. They were therefore very supportive of their son's cricketing endeavours. Incredibly aggressive and attacking in his approach as a batsman, Sehwag made his first-class debut for Delhi in 1998. Sehwag made his ODI debut against Pakistan in 1999 and suffered a relatively slow start to cricketing life in international matches. However, Sehwag turned his fortunes when he was promoted to open the innings by Sourav Ganguly in 2000. From then on, his thumping knocks and impressive level of consistency did not go unnoticed, and Sehwag became a permanent fixture in the national side in mid-2001. It wasn't only in limited overs cricket where Sehwag weaved magic with his bat. He carried the same attacking approach in test matches and balanced it with a degree of meticulousness. The inning that stands out when you talk about Sehwag is his swashbuckling triple ton against Pakistan in Multan. Hammering the Pakistani bowlers in their own backyard, Sehwag became the first Indian player to breach the 300-run mark when he reached the milestone by smashing a six. His demolition of the Pakistani attack was one for the ages and earned him the title, the Sultan of Multan. Winning the World Cup in his own backyard was one of Sehwag's most phenomenal achievements as a cricketer. Having amassed an insane amount of runs and broken innumerable records throughout the course of his career, winning the World Cup was the silver lining of the Nawab of Nazafgar's career. Sehwag announced his retirement from all forms of cricket in 2015, following a lengthy absence from the international fold. More than the runs and records, Sehwag is fondly remembered due to his fearless batting and the many moments of pure joy which he supplied in abundance for lovers of the game. His legacy is a perfect mix of a man who did not play by the rules yet delivered on the biggest stages in style, time and time again.